Hi there, Green Cohort. I am here today to walk you through what you should be working on for assignments while you are at home. So thank you for tuning into Schoology today and watching this video. The first thing that you can see on my screen is that I am in the updates page. Here it's going to give me a quick rundown of what I should work on. So the first thing I see is this Age of Exploration Hyperdoc. Thank you for watching this video to find out how to navigate this document. It's really going to help out and save some time. Don't forget that you do have some other things to make sure that you complete and submit. The first is your reading goal setting form. Once you complete that, go ahead and take the Exploration Museum Display Survey. And if you are finished with your research, please start working on your brochure, as that is due at the end of this week on the 16th. Don't forget that your research notes now become the foundation of your brochure. So essentially, you have the brochure pretty much complete if you have the research notes complete. So make sure that that is done, and then you can just take that and make it look really nice for your brochure. All right, but let's take a look at this hyperdoc that addresses the Age of Exploration. So when I click on materials, I'm going to be taken to October, and I'm going to go to this top week. And so you're going to see in there a link to an assignment called The Age of Exploration. And this is what it looks like. So this is a hyperdoc, but it's in the form of a slideshow. And so what we want to show you is how to kind of navigate what you should be looking for. So make sure that you do read through this user's guide, because throughout this presentation, you will see icons like the map here, this evidence right here, and then as well as this perspective cartoon. And what these do is alert you to what targets you are moving on as they're associated with a particular task. And so as we move through this, I'll show you how that works. But you can basically just click on the icon and it'll take you to the learning scale. So you can see where the targets have been set. Also, at the very end of this presentation is a Flipgrid where you will post your thoughts. And so when you see this icon, make sure that you are accessing that Flipgrid to post your thoughts on the question that is there. All right, so as I go through, I am going to read through this introduction. Anytime I encounter the word construct, that is me constructing the background knowledge. So here we have you watching 2 videos. Anywhere you see express, that means that we want you now to go ahead and show what you have learned. And you're going to just type right into this document your answer for this particular one. Now, notice this icon up here, this map icon. So when I click on it, it takes me straight to the geography learning targets. We are working with spatial patterns and movement. Notice that we have set this target at proficient. So make sure that you are paying attention to those things and that you have a good understanding of where the targets have been set for you. But heading back to the slideshow, I'm going to move on. Again, we have another construct and express task. Okay, so on this construct, you're going to just click on this and it's going to take you to an outside website. From there, you're going to do some more clicking on things that you find interesting here. I urge you to explore all of it because it's super relevant to the Age of Exploration. And then when you come back, you're going to complete the scavenger hunt that's associated with that construct task. So if you click on this, again, it takes you to an outside website, and there you can go through the scavenger hunt, and you can just record the responses on this somewhere on the slideshow, in your journal, however you want to do it. All right, again, we have some more construct tasks, okay, and then an express task that goes along with it. So this one, you're reading through the timeline of North American exploration, and you're going to write down 2 new things that you learned. From there, you're going to read more about early colonization, because that's what the Age of Exploration kind of led to. So here you're constructing your knowledge by reading. Here you are expressing what you've learned and answering this question right here in this box. Again, here I see an icon. This one has this task that you will be working on, has you evaluating sources and using evidence. Notice that the target has been set at making progress. All right, moving on. We have more construct tasks. So this one, you are reading this little blurb on the left, and then you are actually watching a video. From there, you will do your express task and write down any questions you might have, and then the answer to this question. Again, here is this map icon that will take you to the learning scale in case you need to reference it. And so notice that we have more construct and express tasks. This one is asking you now to highlight. You can do it right here in this document. And then finally, here is what I was talking about with the, you're going to read through this impacts of the Age of Exploration, and then you're going to respond on Flipgrid to these questions. And then that should be it for this slideshow. Again, you can reference all of the targets at the very end. And then if you have any questions along the way, please do reach out to your teachers, as we can be of some assistance. I hope this helps you out today. And please go forth and have a wonderful and productive day. Thank you.